Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on ZTE Blade A73 into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser. Now click on search bar and type in yep.com. Now you have to search something using your custom search engine. And now click on the three dots icon, go to settings, click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have now yep.com option, so you can select that and then click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.